Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Ecobank mobile app in your mobile. So for that you can just go to your Play Store in your Android mobile, and for iOS you can just go to your App Store. As I have got Android, I will just go to Play Store here, and on the top you can see a search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type here Ecobank mobile app, and on the bottom right you can see a search button. You can just click on that. So basically Ecobank mobile app offers the convenience of banking from your mobile devices. You can bank from any corner of the world by just using the app. And on the top right you can see your install button. You have to just click on that. As you can see here, people have rated it 3 out of 5. It has got decent good rating. The file size is of 70 MB. In comparison, it is not that much of space taking in your device. You can see here 1 million plus downloads. Lots of people use it. You can just give here a review by selecting the stars you like and writing a review on a write a review section. And yes, the app is downloaded here and a shortcut is added on your home screen. You can just click on open and go through the app. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.